Okay, welcome to Grip Data Now, Sales Rep Training, continued. This is creating a new account. As a new sales rep, you will have been provided a login and a password. To log in, we log in here. For example's sake, I've already created a sales rep account called Sales Rep Number 1 with a password. The username is not case sensitive, however, the password is. The default view for a sales rep is the account view. Here you might have a list of accounts. As you can see, we don't have any accounts, and that's what we're going to do today, is create a new one. We click on Add Account. Let's call this Steak Burger on Street 456 Elm in Dallas, Texas. Some zip code, looks like we have one already there, an 87. I'll just create a 78 just for fun. Zip code, we don't do zip code checking. We would put a phone number in of, there's a nice one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we can put an email address in of dallas@dallas.com. Again, we're just making this up. In fact, let's just put steak at steakburger.com. How about that? And here we need to select a package. Notice we have a $0 other package. That $0 other package essentially allows you as a sales rep to enter all the information about an account and manage that account as if he were a premium $499 package. You can do this before or after subscribing the customer. We recommend doing it before so that you can actually show him real-world examples on his account and take things into him and give him a good experience. The $0 account will sit indefinitely and will not expire. That's another benefit of the $0 account. Later you can come back then after subscribing the customer and select one of the premium packages or one of the packages, after which time billing would commence and the customer then has 5 days to pay the bill. In this case, I'm just going to select the $0 account so we can continue to use this account in conversation and in training meetings. So let's click on Save. After we click on Save, we're immediately asked to create a username. In this case, the user may be considered, since it's Steak Burger, Steak. Let's create John. Let's see if John's username is in. And we'll give John a password. We'll assign him a type of customer. In fact, we only have one type of customer right now, and that is customer. His name is John Doe. He has a phone number of 972, who knows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, with an email of john@steakburger.com. What you are doing is creating a user ID by the name of John, with a particular password assigned to him that you will then provide back to them. After entering in their credentials, enter Save. In this case, John is in use. He's being used by somebody else. So we need to create John let's use John 2. We'll create him a password. Of JOHN and click on Save. It immediately then takes us for credit card registration and configuration. However, I created this one in advance of the customer, meeting with the customer, and I assigned him a $0 account, so there was no credit card information needed. So essentially, if I move back to my view, and I can navigate my view essentially in the top right hand corner, I can click on Sales Rep. Takes me back to my default view as a sales rep. And here you can see I have an account called Steakburger in Dallas, Texas, with their phone number. I've also created a user named John that has been assigned to Steakburger as the primary contact and manager, if you will, for the Steakburger account. One of the nice features as a sales rep that I have with all of my accounts is the ability to alias in and view as if I were the account, and that's where you'll see this navigation in the top right hand corner begin to change. So as I click the alias button, you'll see I'm taken to the default view that Steakburger will see when they log in. So if John were to log in, this is what he would see. These are the icons he would see, and this is how he would administer his features. That's how we create an account quickly and easily within the system, and that's how you as a sales rep have the ability then to manage your accounts by using the alias function. As your account list grows here, it'll grow longer and longer. You'll have the ability to alias each one of your accounts and manage them accordingly. If you needed to manage John or change his password, you would alias into the account like I've done here. Click on the Manage Users functions, and you can see here I've created John 2, whose name is John Doe. And simply by clicking, you can add, change information as needed, and by clicking on Save. The customer also can do this themselves, but as an alias into the account, you as a sales rep can do so also. Okay, hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully it's straightforward. Thank you and have a nice day.